Perth ground, good evening, Singapore 216.
Singapore 216, Perth ground, good evening. Your pushback is approved. Tail to the east.
Pushback approved, tail east, Singapore 216.
Singapore 216, taxi via Tango Lane and Charlie to holding point Charlie 11, runway 03.
Negative, Singapore 216. We have a slight technical issue. Can we hold the pushback position for the next 5 minutes to go through our checklist?
Singapore 216, my apologies. A-firm, hold position and report when ready.
Position report ready, Singapore 216. Perth ground, Singapore 216, just to keep you updated, we should be able to taxi for departure in a couple of minutes.
Singapore 216, no worries, thank you.
Singapore 216, request taxi clearance.
Singapore 216, taxi Tango and Charlie, holding point Charlie 11, runway 03.
Tango, Charlie 11, runway 03, Singapore 216.